practice your English, we or our. There are 10 questions and you have 10 seconds for each question to answer. The answer will be shown after the time is up. Write your score in the comment section. Number 1. Question. We or our. Answer. We have been here for 2 hours. We. Number 2. Question. We or our. Answer. Our favorite place to eat out is here. Our. Number 3. Question. We or our. Answer. This is what we want from you. We. Number 4. Question. We or our. Answer. We are waiting for him at school. We. Number 5. Question. We or our. Answer. Attention please. This is our turn to present. Our. Number 6. Question. We or our. Answer. If you were in our team, we would be happy. Our. Number 7. Question. We or our. Answer. We are not sure which one is better. We. Number 8. Question. We or our. Answer. So, will you come to our party? Our. Number 9. Question. We or our. Answer. It is not about money, but about our future. Our. Number 10. Question. We or our. Answer. Where are we going to go next Sunday? We. Please write your score in the comment section. Thank you and see you in the next video.